What's up YouTube? I've got another Sony DVD VHS combo unit to look at. I bought this one off of eBay. The seller's note said there was no power, so I'm going to open it up and take a look. This video is going to be a short one. So here it is, another SLV-D360P. One of the more popular ones that I see around. I've picked up a few of these in the past, even at garage sales. The first thing I'm going to check is the fuse. That's the most obvious thing when you have no power. I'll set my digital multimeter to continuity mode, and it'll give me a brief beep if it finds continuity with this fuse. And we do not get a beep. I'll pop it out and take a look just to visually confirm. And that is indeed blown. I can't see the fuse in there at all. What I'm going to do now is not recommend it if you don't have experience with electronics. I'm going to just straight short the fuse terminals, but I have this unit plugged in to a current limiter. It'll let me know if there's a short in the machine, and maybe that's what caused the fuse to blow. But right now I'm not seeing that. I'll look at my kilowatt amp meter, and it's only pulling about 0.09, 0.08 amps, and that's pretty normal for standby. When I kick it on, it switches to 0.14 amps, and again, that's normal for the rated wattage that it uses. Next up, I'll pop a tape in, a beloved series from my childhood, The Land Before Time. The VCR takes the tape just fine, unspools it, starts playing. I forgot to plug it in, so I plug in the video cable to test it, but it works. Now I'm cycling through all the different functions. Everything seems to be fine. The eject button didn't work initially. It looked like the plastic piece that presses the button was just a little dislodged, so I pulled the faceplate off and put it back into position. To test the DVD player, I'll put in my copy of Batman Begins. This disc is my go-to for testing DVD drives. If a DVD laser is weak or dying, it usually fails to play this disc. There's different disc manufacturing methods, and I think this particular one takes a little more power to read. When testing any DVD drive, it's always good practice to test multiple discs and skip to the end of the movie to make sure the laser can track all the way to the end. And this drive seems to be struggling. It didn't display the movie at all. It keeps retrying, but it never actually succeeds. And while we're here, you know I gotta check that auto head cleaner. It's probably junk, so I'll just rip it out. Look at that foam. Completely deteriorating, gunky, sticky, gross. I watch a fair amount of electronic repair content on YouTube. I've seen instances of eBay sellers swap in bad parts or power supplies to hide bigger problems. You go in thinking it's an easy fix and end up finding it's more than you bargained for. I don't want to definitively say that's what happened here, but I tested this more off camera and I couldn't find any reason why the fuse would be shot. Maybe a power surge happened and that cascaded into blowing the fuse and the laser. I can't say for certain. Just for kicks, I ordered a new fuse and I took a risk and ordered an unbranded laser replacement. So there will be a follow-up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.